this past weekend, I went to go play some airsoft in my local airsoft field. It was really fun and a lot of interesting games, so I hope you guys stick around, and jump right into it. Sounds like a solid plan. Yeah, I see too. 3. Come on, let's go, go, go. Let's go. There's the plywood. Stay down. Fair enough. Huh? Hopefully he doesn't spot us if we push around him. Bro, what happened? What? Been done. Second enemy pushing up! There's a second enemy pushing up. Get down, get down! No one hunker down here. They're starting to push. Enemy KIA!
Don't fire yet?
Don't fire until he's completely open. We're trying to push around.
Okay, we should probably move.
We gotta move our position.
Yeah, like move.
Fire! Same.
Last round I
Bruh.
4 mags.
They got toasted. I may be out of ammunition, but they got toasted.
Ricky roasted and toasted.
Shiggity shiggity shank. Let's go. Go, go, go. Alright, formation. Hey, you're gonna cover that side. You're gonna cover that side. Formation.
We need to go that way.
I know, just follow me. I'm relying on you guys to cover my sides. Get down. Keep your head down. These guys are Vietnam crap. Just keep your heads down.
We need to get low. Guys,
Spread out. Plus, I think they're getting ready to push. Hudson, you copy? Alright, good. They're getting ready to put. They're getting ready to push us. Huh?
Okay, everybody. That guy over there. Right.
Guys, we're getting ready to push. You can hear me through the walkie-talkie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to make sure you can hear me. That's Jugger. You repeat that again? Can you please repeat that? Can you please repeat your movement? Listen, I need you to repeat what you said.
I was reloading.
Alright, good.
I didn't need to go.
We're getting ready to push forward.
Am I on the right walkie-talkie channel?
Huh?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Hey, they're running right now.
You getting ready to make a run for it? We still got tree cover.
You see that shrub right there? Should we push out there? Shrub right
10-4.
there.
Move forward.
Go!
Go, go, go! I see runners! To our right.
I almost dropped one. Sorry. Over there, over there, over there. Over there, over there, over there.
Runners!
To the left of you, left, left, left. Guys, a
Did you
bunch
drop
of guys
okay,
left.
don't drop the walkie-talkie.
I almost dropped it.
Okay, I got one of my gun.
Let's straight ahead, there's a bunch of guys there.
Straight up ahead, huh?
Lots of guys to right. Bro, we're pinned down right there. I see guys. This sucks.
Friendly movement.
This is a bad move.
Move to the left! Hey, cover that side. Get down! I'm down. No, I'm not down. You okay? Alright, circle back. I think I pushed too hard. I request you to circle back around. Come meet me up here, right next to the trail. Huh? Huh?
I just sent one home with a spanking.
Good. So they got 5 gun hits on me. Just gotta keep running. Repeat that, please.
I was just asking if you could hear me.
All right, copy.
Oh yeah, go away, brother.
I'm coming to your position. Move more to the side. Cover me. Huh?
Dude, I'm moving that tree right there.
Go! Don't stand here. You might want to get down.
Friendly fire. Bro, we gotta find that drone.
Where's the drone? Moving. Yes, we can. I can cover you. Okay, man. Push up to big fort. Get to better safety position. Your feet are open. Your feet are open, man. Gotta get to better safety. Are you gonna hurt us? Hey, are you gonna hurt us?
I don't think it's gonna hurt us. I like your guy. Still threatened by this guy. Are we pushing?
You're telling me.
Not seeing buddy. Let's push up to that next thing.
Right, you cover us. You stay up there and cover us. All right, you move in. We'll cover you. Move in. He's moving in.
Heavy.
Hey, who has the plane?
Are those?
Hey, watch that juggernaut.
Move into position. Not you. All right.
Coming in?
All right.
Because he shot me last time. Huh?
Wait, what weapon do you have?
All right. We'll start moving up towards us. More cover.
Back there for the drone.
Huh?
Copy that, over.
Actually, I needed some reconnaissance. Follow me.
Copy that.
Any movement you see that's in front of us, shoot at it.
Our other teammate went off somewhere.
Hey.
Our other teammate left.
What'd you spot?
Somebody get me. We got hit cover fire. So we need 2 guys with guns. We gotta have 2 people on this.
Okay.
All right, dude, put the sling around you. He went for us. Right there. Hey, are you gonna shoot us anymore or no?
We're gonna get the drone.
Don't touch the drone. Hold drone position. Hey, I'm not touching the drone. I want, hey, what?
That's mine. I want my drone.
What?
I put the drone on front of the
Can I just, okay. Hey, I'm not getting shot in the face. Keep an eye, hey, every time he gets up, shoot his back. Shoot. Keep his position on his back plate. Keep him in position on his back plate. If he tries to get up, shoot his back plate. Keep a position on his back plate. Go full out if you have to. What? We're gonna keep you down. Oh, shit. here, but we're keeping them at bay. We need your help. Come back here, we got a guy watching the jugger. What? Yeah, I'm coming. Let's go, go, go! Watch us! Bring the drone back! Hey! We got the drone! We did it!
Good job, guys.
We did it!
I came to go look for him. Like,
all the games I played today were pretty awesome, so if you guys like it, subscribe. If not, I hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys later.